Sports throughout history has served as a way for society to put differences aside and come together towards a common goal. Through sports, many of us learned core values such as teamwork, leadership, communication, and confidence. The majority of people love sports and played it in their youth, but not many of us realize how sports is at the professional level and how the business model around sports can be improved. The sports industry is one of the most watched forms of entertainment in American markets. Following the suggestion of a decentralized ledger known as blockchain in the 1990s and publication of Satoshi Nakamoto, there has been speculation as to how blockchain can be used to improve the already growing industry.
According to Forbes magazine, the sports industry should reach a $73.5 billion valuation in North American markets in 2019. So what is the sports industry? Well, the sports industry is effectively a market in which some sort of product, service, or idea related to sports is delivered. In the United States, these sports are typically football, baseball, basketball, and hockey, with the NFL, NBA, NHL, and the MLB being the largest leagues within the United States. Elsewhere, the sports such as soccer, cricket, and rugby tend to be popular as well. Growth within these industries is largely due to the growth of media rights contracts, and revenue generated from media sports contracts have surpassed ticket sales for the first time in 2017, which haven't projected to slow down.
So what is a blockchain? The blockchain is an incorruptible decentralized ledger of transactions that stores information in a data structure known as a block. A block is an object that contains a timestamp, data, and the hash of the last block. A new block is mined by combining the block information to generate its own hash. Depending on the blockchain, the process of block mining is either determined by proof of work or proof of stake. Since the hash of a block depends on the hash of the previous block, these blocks are essentially chained together with the longest chain always prevailing. To alter the data in a block, a hacker would have to change the hash of every single block in the chain, which requires an enormous amount of computing power. Thus, blocks that are created cannot be edited nor deleted. Furthermore, a copy of this ledger is then shared across all users of the platform, creating a system that can't be corrupted without a 51% takeover, which is virtually impossible. Because of this, the blockchain has no single authority and no single point of failure. This form of peer-to-peer mass collaboration is set to revolutionize a variety of industries, including sports.
There are many applications of blockchain in the sports industry. For example, through fan engagement. Fan engagement is crucial in the sports industry, and blockchain can ensure more efficient functioning between sports clubs, teams, organizations, and the fans. By utilizing loyalty plans that incorporate blockchain, one can promote fan engagement through cryptocurrency-based loyalty programs that reward sports fans for fan actions. Fans can follow their favorite sports star, club, or brand and get rewarded for every action through the transparent blockchain system, and then redeem them later. This all creates a feedback loop that incentivizes everyone to contribute. Since the sports world also produces a huge amount of data, there needs to be a secure reserve to save all that data. Blockchain can not only safeguard the numbers and files from being leaked just in case they are confidential, but it can also check for accuracy within the system. For sports betting, blockchain can provide cheaper, more secure, verifiable, and transparent betting. And for recording performance metrics and stats for athletes, blockchain creates a reliable data bank and creates much accurate data to add to the database. Overall, the innovative opportunities of blockchain can benefit many crucial sectors and investors in the sports industry.
Blockchain can be used as a database of metric data regarding sports. Bravelog is a blockchain supported by Microsoft Azure, which houses records of biometric and race data within the blocks. This blockchain is largely geared toward athletic development and data for coaches. Another company is Sports Technology Group. STG is a blockchain athlete management app. It helps organize incentives and bonuses based on contract terms including real-time wins, goals, appearances, sponsor obligations, and merchandise. The reporting dashboards track player results, leave of absence and medical records, and franchise costs. It has direct data that feeds to trusted systems like esports and fantasy sports. It helps organize athlete signing with a fully transparent private ledger to keep all parties honest and accountable. It manages athlete contracts including time of contract, salary, bonus, and performance-based incentives. It makes contract renewals easier and athlete transfers faster. The mobile apps have dashboard versions for athletes, agents, and the team or organization.